ikot kang stage. Kung pwede po na mag-irilingan ka mo sa may SM. Thank you.
Next entry number 21. Sacred Heart High School, Kalagbangan, Sipokot, Camarines Sur, Troop and Staff, Jos Alday, Troop Commander, Leslie K. Hobiliano, Troop S1, Charles Peñano, Troop S2, John Rex Barrecas, Troop S3, Jade Pasillo, Troop S4, Mark Anthony M. Maniares, Troop S5, Boon Tiron Navarro, Troop S6, Major Leader Hasmin De Jesus, DLC Leader Nathaniel Maglaya, CTT Alpha Company Commander Jan Alday, CTT Alpha Company EXO Reynald G. Reyes, CTT Platoon Leader Boys Jane Rick Magaspas, Second Platoon Leader Boys John Lloyd Panigagdagan, CTT Bravo Company Commander Florence Janela Valencia, CTT Bravo Company EXO Precious Ami Mohamed, First Platoon Leader Girls Marcela Huante, Second Platoon Leader Girls Ana Maria Villano, Mami Company Commander Thomas Silvestre, Mami Company EXO Brandon Magadia, First Platoon Leader Paul Anson Antonio, Second Platoon Leader Nika Salazar, School Head Hermoso O. Guerrera, CTP Mami Coordinator Randall Martilla Beverly Anero, Rangers Coordinator Nancy Janet, MDC, Elena L. Morales, DX CTLC Coordinator Trini Flores, Iloderio H. Elistre, Mapay Coordinator. MC number 21, Sacred Heart High School, Kalagbangan, Sipokot, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 21 from Sacred Heart High School, Kalagbangan, Sipokot, Camarines Sur. Next.